Hi everyone, let's talk about Sphere 3D, another company that is short squeezed company, provides data management, desktop and application virtualizing solutions in the American, Europe, Middle East, Africa and Asia Pacific. Market cap currently 206 million. The health, 6 of the 6, others are 0 of the 6 on the Snowflake Analyze. Risk side, a highly volatile share price over the past 3 months. So they have this volatility, but it's currently trending upside. So this is very good news for those who entered, for example, 6 months ago at the price. How much when then? If we open the here 6 months, 300%. That's pretty huge. Shareholders have been substantially diluted, so the company prints all the time shares out, I guess every year. If we take a look at the simple safe dividends, yeah, look at this graph, shares outstanding keep just doubling. So every year, I guess since 2016, it doubles. That's not so good point to the investors, but for the company it's very good, since the stock price grows, they would get a lot of more money from the market, and does not have meaningful revenue, which is currently 5 million. That is on the simple Wall Street. Latest share price and events, we see private placement, M&A, earning updates, and this is summary to the market performance. 1-year return 142%, and in the bigger frames, so we see that's actually pretty combined. So 3-year return almost 200%, but if we jump more of the frame, 5-year return is already minus 94%. And how much does all time minus 95%. Those who invested in 2014, they are currently minus 99%. So those who entering and seeing this one graph, that everything is growing, everything looks fine, it's 281% in the year. 5-year turn already shows another situation, minus 91%. So be careful of this kind of volatility on the market. And of course, the long-term price volatility considered as a highest compared to average market and industry. Valuation side, simple Wall Street does not have any price targets. Tip ranks doesn't have either. Market Watch has $40 per share. So this has surprised me. So it has still a way to go to the stock price target. So that's pretty surprise information for me. On the future growth for the software industry that they're working in is forecasted 20% annual earning growth, and the past performance, so the earnings increased historically by 58%. They had this volatility on the earnings side. This is pretty odd, since we see here the negative revenue. I'm not sure where this come from. Are they did they sell something? I'm not sure where this come from, this volatility on the earnings revenue side, minus 30, or did they break some of the contracts? I'm not sure, but the company is currently unprofitable. And on the financial health side, we see that this is also pretty volatile, and they do have a little bit of cash, 4 million Debt is 475,000, equity 11 million. The good news is that the cash level is covering the debt, and debt to equity ratio is only 4%. Balance sheet looks green. They're not paying dividends. Let's keep the management. And to the insider, no volumes on the insider transactions. Ownership breakdown: general public holding 86%, insiders less than 10, institutions 4.1%, private companies 0.4%. Top shareholders, I guess, yeah, UBS management added 78%. Last reporting holding date, end of June. And somehow there's no other information on the other top shareholders. But do we find here, for example, Vanguard or BlackRock? No, they're not. They're not here. And yeah, so basically the volumes are once again raising. Today's volume at this point 133 million. Last time it was, yeah, only here, middle of June. So they're once again getting pretty nicely up with the volumes. And Simple Safe dividends shows that shares outstanding, as I said, keep increasing. Total sales decreased a lot, but compared to, so this is actually one of the things that is not correct for me. 2020 4.85, and the next year 4.78. So it decreased, but the sales growth showing the 9%. Not quite sure where this is coming from. But anyway, they decreased basically compared to 2015, 2016 significantly. And yeah, investing.com, some of the stock for long-term investors as a buy, and this is also currently 75%. That's huge. Let's take a look at the comments. Don't buy it yet. Same pattern with BIG. We'll drop the price flow. You can buy it later. Squeeze, let's go. Another flight, 10, more like 25 plus. Drug go above 7, nice day coming. I mean, $8. Easily one, thanks markets. Yeah, so this is actually, I like the excitement when the stock price is going very fast up. So currently 79, and yeah, but always be careful, try to diversify. You never know when this is coming. So within, okay, let's check the November 2016 and November 2017. I'm not saying that this could happen again. This is only for education reasons. So 25th of November, 24th of November 2017, minus 83% within the year. Those who keep holding, they are currently minus 92%. So keep in mind that this happens to pretty much any stock. This could happen, and be aware. Try to diversify by industry, by time. And thanks for watching this video. Hopefully it helps. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and see you in the future one.